Well, bad job. The last, I only repaired all the quadcopter. I'm so tired. I need to drink some Gatorade for replace my force. Well, and I need to start a new job. It seems like a bomb. This case is like a secret project. It's Autel Evo Nano Plus. Oh. Oh. It's bad, but it's funny. It's tearful, but I'm not kidding you. Well, according to the owner, he was flying in the Brazilian Independence Day, and well, third motor, very damaged, very damaged. I think that, I was talking that, according to the owner, he was flying Brazilian Independence Day. The day was cold with a lot of clouds, like a rainbow day, like a winter day. But here in Brazil, we are starting the spring. Oh, the major too. Look. And I think that the first motor may be burned. And according to the owner, a strong wind, take the quadcopter and left around, flying to a tree, a great tree on the way, and now we have a lot of damage here. Look. Okay, let's start the second job for today. I'm so happy because today is Friday, and at the night I will drink some beer. But I need to start the job. Well, first thing I need to do, I need to see, I need to look, I need to find is a solution for the first, battery damaged too. A battery damaged. It has no one? No. Well, battery is damaged, look. Here, this part. Well done! When we have a strong wind, I don't use no quadcopters here. Any owners tell me on WhatsApp, call me on WhatsApp, and it left me too bad because the quadcopter is not safe. There's no condition for fly. The owner here tried to fly, and this is the end. Let me see. Oh, why I'm holding? And if this quadcopter burn in my hands. Oh, look here. There's no. Look. It's fearful. It's it's terrible. But it's funny. Funny, so funny. Well, what? Look at here too. Look at here. I destroyed. The people are crazy. Let's go. I need to turn on. Damage. Look. Oh, okay. No. Look here. Two more steps. try to fly and they up to that. Okay, let's start this thing. I'm showing this video on my Brazilian channel too for and other persons who speak English know my new channel in English. Well, I'm working at this morning for doing the first cross preparation cross in my new channel. Well, to the major, I think that the owner tried to left this part safe, but no, it's wrong. You don't need to press more than the fabrication. You don't need. But a lot of persons think that the drone is poor and I need to press with all the force I have in my body. Terrible. You will burn your quadcopter. When you are flying, time is too hot. The sun. The quadcopter has a system to well, the quadcopter has good sensors, but the owner is destroying the quadcopter, pressing all the parts. It's true. The owner will destroy this quadcopter. Remember this time, I'm trying to left this quadcopter new again, but I think that the owner will destroy this quadcopter. You don't need to press. You don't need to let the force of your body over the quadcopter like a hook. Rook smash. Terrible. I think that this is the first quadcopter of the owner, and he loves the quadcopter. He is fallen in love by this quadcopter, and think that need to press with a strong force to left the quadcopter safe. And I think that if the owner left this part without stronger force, this piece won't be broken. Terrible, terrible, terrible. And I can't get out this part because the owner pressed a lot of things here with a strong force. There's no conditions for opening the quadcopter. There's no. Destroy it, destroy it. If you have a quadcopter, arrive from the seller, don't move nothing. Only hold your control and fly. You don't need to hold in your hands this bad thing here. Get out on the trash. This thing here. Get out on the trash. Leave it far from your hands, because you will destroy your quadcopter. Look here. Terrible. All the 4 connections destroyed. So difficult. The owner lives here close to my city. He's too a cop, but I don't know him. He's a cop. He talked that he's a cop. I'm retired cop here. I'm young, but I'm retired. For health problems. Health problems. Well, and you think that I'm normal. I don't import. I have a mission to be the craziest of all. Look, all the connections destroyed by the owner. Let me see here. Let me see what's happening here. Oh, look. Destroyed. Destroyed. There's no chance. I need to change. Replace all day. But now, I need first to open this quadcopter. And I think, really, the owner will destroy this quadcopter if he doesn't let him in peace. This quadcopter needs play, needs peace. Don't need the owner trying to destroy all the things here. Well done. Oh. Why the people are crazy? Why? I don't know. I don't understand. Oh, maldição do inferno. A person calling me on WhatsApp, and I don't speak with no one. I don't stop my job for talk with no one. You are looking. I'm here working, and a person trying to be more important than my job. Terrible. A person trying to be more important than my job here. Block it. I don't talk to any person. No one. I like to help, but I'm only one person. And I have no king over me. Okay. I really think that this quadcopter is the thing more destroyed I've seen today. I need to change this thing, this bad thing. Oh, I mean, my hair is too crazy, and I need to left handsome. Look, like Metallica, like the Queen. No, like the Aquaman. Yes, like what Aquaman? Well done. Go on. Terrible. Well done. No, it's damaged here. I need to replace this one. Yes. Well, let me see where is this part. I will replace and solve this part here. First, I need to open. And where it was? There's nothing. Well, let me open first. Okay, where this part is looked. I know that I have here a flat cable damaged. From where? Where is the end? There's nothing here. Where is the end of this LED cable? So strange. Well, gonna start. Anytime I will repair this LED cable. Yeah. I'm trying to look for the end of the flat cable because there is nothing here. Okay, it's from gimbal row. Okay, the third one. It will be very difficult. Will be so difficult because I need to replace the first part here. Okay, it seems that will be good, but I think here I don't like. Well, let's repair first the more important part. For left this gimbal, safe. According to the owner, when the quadcopter was falling down, he tried to hold your hands. There's no chance. Quadcopter will be broken. There's nothing to do. I need to see first if we have lost anything, because if we have lost it, I need to replace it please first for start the job. But here there is no, all the parts are here. Okay, gonna start. And I don't know if this quadcopter will be good today. I will repair everything here that I can repair. But anything I need to try or solve the situation here. And I need to open for repair all the sensors because I think that it's too damaged. I need to open the atoms for arise at the perfect way to left the glue here and left strong the damaged part. This form that I'm using here, it's so simple. Many times I need to use a form too abrasive for left the gimbal perfect again. When I have lost and important parts here, I need to get out all the parts components here, and I need to replace one H1 for make function again. Okay, the first one is wonderful now. This is the first part here. I need to get this part perfect for start really the repair. Okay, look. Wow, I'm stopping this job by now because I need another flat cable. At the morning, I will try to repair this flat cable, but I think that it's too difficult. It's the flat cable for the motors, and there is two sides. All in one side, two connections, and in the other side, a lot of connections. Let me see if this quadcopter will fly. No condition for fly? I think that it's awaiting GPS sign. Let me see now. There's no GPS signal. No, it has no condition for flight. Let me see in the app.
Desconnected. Compass is abnormal. Please stay away from magnetic field interference area or calibrate the compass. Initialize aircraft aptitude. Please take off flutter. Gimbal e self-check-in. Please take off flutter.
Okay, let's go fly. I need all new flat cable. At the morning, I will try to repair the flat cable. But now, let's go and fly. That's all. I need to eat something. This quadcopter needs the other day of repair for left everything perfect. When it was flying, it was with some small movements that I don't know. But it's too simple to repair. My console is this. Get off this thing. Vai tomar no cu. Every day, the same thing here in Brazil. It's so difficult to work here. It's impossible. I was trying to speak that you need to get out this thing of your quadcopter. The case. Protect your quadcopter. Fine. Fine. It's so soft. Soft. Your quadcopter is protected. Get out this thing in the trash. You don't need it. Really. When you stop the fly, your quadcopter is hot. You need to get off the battery and let your quadcopter be cooled again for keep in the case. Well, I will repair again this quadcopter. Now it is flying. I need only to solve a thing about stabilization on the air. But this quadcopter now, I think it's good. It can fly. Yes. And I will try tomorrow repair the flat cable. If the flat cable has no chance, I need to wait a new flat cable arrive from China. 2 or 3 weeks it will be here in Brazil. Here, friends, now I need to eat something because I'm so hungry. Like hungry birds. Ahilk.